children, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. Yes, till now we have learnt A family words, E family words, I family words. Yes, now we are going to learn about O family words. Okay children, so do you know what sound makes O? O makes the sound O. O makes the sound O. Okay children, O for orange. When you're saying orange, the starting sound is coming as O. Orange. Okay children, let's see with some examples with pictures. Okay. So let's sing a rhyme for letter O. Okay. Now it's dark. Let the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed. The lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, children. When we on the light and off the light, how will do? On, off. So the action of letter O is on, off. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, children. Remember that. Yes. Now, here you can see two letters. O, B. O makes the sound O. B makes the sound B. O, B. Ob. So these two pictures belongs to Ob family pictures. Let's see how we can write the first picture. The first picture here is sweet corn. Yes, I know. But it is also called as cob. Okay children? Cob. So when you are saying a word cob, so how you are saying, see, cob. So the starting letter is k. So when the letter sound k is coming, so C makes the sound k. K, O. So C. O makes the sound O. K, O, B. Cob. Okay children? Yes? K, O, B. Cob. Yes. Next picture is job. So for job, when you are saying a job word, so the starting sound is coming as J. So you have to write the starting letter J. Okay? J. J. J makes the sound J. Next is O. O makes the sound O. J, O, B. So B makes the sound B. Yes children? J, O, B. Job. See, you have to remember one thing children. Whenever you are saying a word with pronunciation, you have to write the letter here with the help of sound of a letter. Yes, cob and job, these two belongs to Ob family words. Next we'll see ox. O makes the sound O. X makes the sound x, 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 x. Okay. So ox, ox. Okay children? Yes. So these two pictures belongs to ox family pictures. Let's see how we will write this. So now we can see the first picture as fox. Yes, fox. So the picture here is fox. When you are saying a word fox, so the starting sound is coming as f. Fox. So F makes the sound f. So write F. Okay. So next is O. O makes the sound O. So O. Next X. X makes the sound X. Fox. Fox. Okay children. When you are writing, we have to remember all the sounds of phonics so that we can write easily and we can frame the word. Next picture here it is box. So when you are saying a word box, what sound we are hearing? B. Box. So letter B makes the sound B. And next B, ox. Next O is coming. So O makes the sound O. Okay. Next, box. So the ending letter is X. So it's making a sound X. X. Okay. Box. Box. Fox, box. These two pictures belongs to ox family words. Okay, children. Next, here we'll see another example of ought. 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 O makes the sound O. T makes the sound T. Ought. Ought. These two pictures belongs to ought family words. Here children, the first picture is dot. So when you're saying a word dot, so what sound is coming in the starting? D. D. So D makes the sound D. Okay children, D makes the sound D. Next, O makes the sound O. Okay, D, O, T. Dot. Okay, D, O, T. Dot. Okay children. Next is, you can see all the things which are rotten, means which are already spoiled. So the things which are spoiled are called rotten. So in short we'll call as rot. So when you're saying a word rot, so which letter is coming as starting letter? R. So R makes the sound R. So R, O, T. Rot. Okay. R makes the sound R. O makes the sound O. T makes the sound T. R, O, T. Rot. Okay children. So dot and rot, these two pictures belongs to odd family words. Okay children. Do you observe here children, one thing is very common in all the words, that is O. See, in dot we have O, in rot we have O in between, and in fox we have O, and in box we have O, and here also you can see in cop you have O in between, and in job also you have O in between. So you can see O is common in all the words. So these all pictures and the words belongs to O family words. Okay children, I hope you understood this O family words. Okay children, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.